Hello, it's been, over a year, maybe, since I've played Slime Rancher, so we're gonna do a little wander, because I have no idea where I even left off. We got some little guys over here, that's cool. Yeah, I don't even know what we have, or where I am, how to play anymore. Chug-a-lugging along over here. Holy crap. These guys get it. Right. Why is there chicken in there? Do I not have the feeder on this? I don't even have the feeder on here? Oh my goodness. Didn't even have a feeder on there. That's how messed up I was last time I played, I guess. Even. Yeah, how's it been? How's it going? Starving little cabbies over here. Do I want to do that? Not really. What else do I have? Oh! Man, this fan is loud. Don't have anyone in here? Okay, I've got y'all over there. I've got nothing here. Get you over there. Got their foods over here. You know what? I'm already down here. Let's get both of them. Oh. Okay. No, I didn't collect any quartz. I don't remember Bob from the first time I played. I remember Bob from the second one. You want me to give you chickens for some quartz and odd radishes? Hey, how about you? How about a meow? This area. I have not bought that area yet. Okay. Alrighty. Noodle around over here. that rock to the hotel. I've gone this way yet. I don't know if I've gone this way yet. Oh no, this is this area, yeah. I've been here, right? I've been here, right? Yeah. No chicken. Okay. Like it. Oh. Yes. Remember to get water this time. Oh, why did I keep using the wrong button? Again, with the wrong button. Why? What am I doing with my life? Goodbye. Take your poop with you. See if I can remember to do it the right way. Maybe that's the rock. There's no rooster though, that's a problem. I feel like there's an area over here that I am missing. Isn't there a way to, like, jump around and get to the place with the bees, or do I have to unlock it from the other thing first? I don't remember. I don't remember how you get there. Is that an area that I need to get to? That doesn't look like what's over here, right? I don't remember. What happens when you don't play forever? You don't remember where you are, where everything else is. Dang it. There is anything, really. The moon signs are hanging out. And this is the first one. There should be guides online everywhere for this. And I just gotta look them up. I gotta go find them. Oh, yeah. Did it. That's what I meant to do. Oopsies. I don't have any guns, do I? Oh yeah, I gotta have little recipe things to unlock the damn pods in this. Damn it. Ugh. Okay, alright. I'm just shooting those things everywhere, aren't I? Hey, is this open? No. I don't want them to be. I think this is gonna become somebody's. I don't need a solar shield in here. I don't see it. Minutes to get 3 rock hens and a rooster. I don't really care. I don't really care. I'm just gonna leave them in there for now. Get these guys forks and sell them because I didn't do that earlier. More of these guys since there's so much food in there that they are not eating. Probably should have looked up where things are before I got on here, but I didn't. That's on me. Sell some shit. Achievement, whoa, upgrade share. I can't upgrade anything else. Something else can be upgraded. Dang it. Path of cookie. What is that? And where was that? Oh yeah, I can get them a banner somehow. $2,000 for a porch upgrade? For what? Okay, I don't even know what I got with the path upgrade. Oof. Alright. Did I waste all my money that I could have bought for this? I sure did. Sure did. Alright. Any of these grow up yet? No. I don't know if they're grow up yet. I'm not gonna give them my rock hens if I don't have an extra rooster. You need roosters to get with the chicken and to make the babies. Let me get out here. All the things that I think that I want. I don't know what that's to do right now. Look at this exciting gameplay where I don't know what the hell to do. Yay! Or what I want to do or anything. I'm stepping on the slime, like, get out of my beach. I just did that, yeah. Oh, God. unlock other things. Over here. No, it's over there. Right? How do I get over there? Where is it? Not over here. Yeah, we got that side. Not that side. I think that. Am I just going right back to where I just was? No, I'm not. Right? Oh, I need a key! Dang it! I don't have a key. How do I get your key? I don't know where your key is. Or how I get to it. Man. Oh! No! I just lost everything. Like, get out! Because I hit the wrong button! Ugh! You keep throwing things and I mean to suction things. So I'm stupid. There's a Gordo over there. Oh shit, which Gordo is it? How do I get to it? How do I get to that Gordo? Okay, I gotta feed you meats. I only have 3 chickens though. Gotta get you more meats. I need meats! I need meats! Help, I need meats! I need chickens! Chickens! Need them! But hopefully feeding him gives me the key. Chickens! I didn't even give him all the chickens I had. What? How was I? Oh, I did it once again where I got out instead of suction like I meant to do. Why am I like this? Why is this me in my life? Dang it. I need some chickens. I need a lot of chickens. I need so many chickens. Chickens! Chickens. I do need some. Why did I take the long way again? I need chickens. You have chickens? I need chickens. Hello, chickens. Hello, chickens. Chickens. How do I unlock those? Don't eat the baby. Don't let the baby up. I just... Any more chickens? 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 Oh, what the... Hi, you guys. Come tars. Ugly jerks. I only have 6 chickens. Dang it. Need more chickens. Any more forks? More forks for you guys? Okay. No. Open. Any chickens over here? Chickens? Chickens. Chickens. Any chickens in here? Yeah. I know I'm missing a bunch of stuff in there. I know I am. Boom slime, stop booming. Okay, you know what? That probably wouldn't have been worth much anyway. Oh. Look at how stupid he is! Oh my goodness! A stego ornament? Okay, I gotta keep him here for now so I can get these rocks. Oh, that's an elder one. I hope that's not gonna... Cute. No. Give me back. No. I guess you'll just float right there. Why not? Why not have you float right there? Let's see if I can feed that tabby. There we go, right there. Can I go around the long way again? Kind of. If any way is the long way going this way. It's fine. It's fine. There's a rooster over here now. I don't have room for a rooster. That way. Why am I having a stupid time with this one? Where's the tunnel? getting some more chickens. I don't know how much is enough. Okay, how did I get there? How did I get there? How did I get there? Chickens on top of it. Baby chicken. House. I know there was another chicken out there. Come on. I see you. Come to me, chicken. Or not. Yes, that's fine. That's fine. I will live. Whatever. Okay. How did I get over there again? Don't remember. I don't remember how I got over there. There's more chicken stuff here. No, I don't have space for rock. Space for baby rocks. Is it over here? Is it just right here? Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Ah! You won't eat chickadees. But sucking them up because I need them for my house, but nothing. Oh, what happened to the babies? Where's Baby Rock? That stomach chick. Whatever. Rockstone, whatever. Oh, God damn it. Why did you hit me? Alright, I need more chickens. I need full grown chickens. So dying. Oh. My house, I guess. See if any of those chickens hatched. Like this many babies over here. Hello? Why am I stuck? How many babies hatch over here? Chickens? Chickens? I need chickens. I need it. The boy. My God. Okay, let's sell off these. Couple of porks. Seconds, that ain't happening. We will look out and grab some more on the way. overload this Gordo. He ain't fat enough. Oh, dang it. Getting stuck on this street. You're the same one! Chickens! I need so many chickens. Oh my god, I need chickens. Oh, all the chickens. Come on, man. It's full! Thank you. Oh, I didn't want to go through that. Like, that didn't give me a key. That's so fucking annoying. It didn't give me a key. How dare you? I didn't need another teleport back to my house. Needed a key. Man. Needed the fucking key. How absolute dare you do this to me, game? I found one and it didn't give me what I wanted. How dare you? You lied to me. Oh, wait. This isn't. This isn't my house. Where is this? Oh, God. It's not even a key to my house. I can't even get to this. I don't have this unlocked. How absolute dare you? Not even give me a key and then give me a freaking portal to a place that I don't even have opened yet. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Ugh. This is so annoying. Get out of here. I'm watching your face. Man, how dare. How dare. Now I gotta figure out where another flipping Gordo is and hope that it gives me a key. Man. Thought I was getting somewhere. wander around and feed the slimes I have. Oh boy, fun times. Get 6,000. I can unlock other areas. Excuse you? How dare? Oh, jerks. Chicken coop put up so they're not sitting in a slime spot. That's not a porch, idiot. The pink slimes and we'll call it an episode. Alright, well, we'll see about unlocking over there.